Hi guys, it's Derry from DSW Cleaning, and we have been called to Leatherhead Town Centre to clean up this area here. So we've had reports that who has fallen over because of this black substance that's on the floor. Have a look at the substance on the floor. It's a bit, I believe it's probably sap from the trees, possibly, or could be algae. But I think it's this particular tree here itself that gives off this sap residue that is very slippery. So we're going to clean up the area. We've been asked to pressure wash, but I think we're going to have to pull out the dog from this one, as this will take up that actual black residue, clean it up properly, and actually get rid of it. As pressure washing, we'll just push it to another area. So this is the DOF system that we'll be using today. So it's 150 degrees steam to clean up the paving, to remove any oil stains or oil residues, sap, lichen, and so on.